Hello everyone, welcome back to Falcon Fire RC. Today you can see my Traxxas Hoss 4x4 VXL in front of me, and that is because this video is a tribute to the Traxxas Hoss, which has been discontinued and replaced by the Stampede 4x4 VXL, which is the same exact thing as the Hoss, just with the extreme heavy duty upgrade kit. The Traxxas Hoss released 3 years ago, and since then it has kind of been its own thing in the Traxxas lineup. It was in between the original Traxxas Stampede 4x4 VXL and the Traxxas Max, and the fact that it's the size of the Stampede 4x4 VXL, but it's longer wheelbase, had the sledgehammer tires, and has the Valineon 540 XL motor from the Max. Because it's been replaced, I've decided to make this video. It's basically just going to be a series of clips of me driving it around here. We drive it in several locations. We drive it out there, we drive it in the woods, we drive it at a third area, take it out in a bumpy field to show how the suspension works. And just, my Hoss does have the rear right shock, has no fluid left, it's all leaked out, and I decided not to fix that because of an upgrade I'm going to be getting soon. At the end of the video, I take out our 45-degree launch ramp and do some big jumps off of this. Try to do some double backflips. I even try to do some front flips. This truck is great. In my opinion, it's better than the old Stampede 4x4 VXL. And I don't know how anybody could possibly say that this thing is weak. Some people say it's a sportsman special. I don't see how it's possible. If you look at some of the stuff I was doing before, and that's not even the worst I've had with this truck. And as you can see, no damage whatsoever. So I've had this Hoss for about 8 months. It's almost box stock, and this is going to be probably the last time this Hoss is on the channel in its almost stock configuration, because I've got several upgrades I'm going to be doing soon. And without further blather, let's get on with the video.